everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to LaChan's YouTube live show. Think with LaChan's, find the difference. I am Michelle.
Hello, good day everyone. This is Roy from LaChan's group, and welcome to you guys to watching us. And we are here to share with you about the feeding information, the breeding information, also some the animal health and animal welfare informations. And I hope this can help you in your work. And also, please do not forget to subscribe to us, our channel. Yes.
Right. In the past few decades,
Yes.
along with the development of technology, many industry has changed a lot, especially
Yes.
the aquaculture part.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, and along with the changes, many new species change from only fishing to large-scale farming.
Yes, exactly. This is the very good news for the wild fish resources, and it take away a lot of pressures.
Yeah.
And Michelle, do you know what kind of space we're talking today?
Yeah, I know, and I also know that this fish has a very special nickname, which has something in common with you.
With me? Oh, really? What was that?
Yeah, its nickname is handsome fish.
Wow, wow, wow. This is very nice. Yes, I should admit I'm handsome. It's joking. Actually, I should start some diet, right? And yes, this is the space we're talking today, the salmons. The salmons industries have the beginning in the 1960s, and it's developed in the 1980s Norway and 1990s Chile. And nowadays, it's being produced 2.6 million tons of salmon fish in every year.
Wow, that's really amazing.
Yes, exactly. This salmon fish have been developed very well, and also is nowadays is most species we have farming is Atlantic salmons.
Atlantic salmon.
Yeah, Atlantic salmons is in the different countries, and usually the people, the salmons will be living in the fresh water and then transferred to the seawater about 15 to 20 months. So after that, when its weight can meet 4.5 kilograms or 5 kilograms, we can sell it to the market. And normally it's take about 2 years.
Wow, 2 years. It's
Yes.
really a long time to farm a salmon.
Yes.
And for such a long time, with longer time of farming, the risk will grow more. It's
Yes.
really like gambling for the farmers.
Yes, exactly. It's kind of like the gambling, and the nutritionist is also doing a lot of the jobs, and the adjustment, the formula of the salmon feed, and to make the salmon, the FCR of the salmon from the 1.1 from the 1.1 or the 1.2, and is greatly to shorten the farming time.
Wow, they have done a great job. But along with the better performance, is there any challenge they have met?
Yes, exactly. So this is bring a new challenges to us. The salmon feed is too expensive, and also the nutritionists have done a lot of job like to reduce some the fish oil to instead by the vegetable oil.
They use more vegetable oil to replace fish oil.
Yes, exactly.
That's good.
It's nutritionists have done a lot of job to do to save the cost. Nowadays, we have the few new ways to do that. The first is to use the more vegetable oil to instead the fish oil, and secondly, maybe we can use the most popular ways in like use the bile acid.
Bile acids.
Yes.
It sounds familiar. I have heard about it on the internet and also some published articles. And also, I have seen that a lot on Ingomix, the website.
Yes.
Also, my friends in this area have observed it, but it's an innovative solution, right?
Yes, exactly.
Could you provide more information on this solution?
Yes, bile acid is the main ingredient, activity ingredient in the biles secreted by the livers, and it have the multiple biological activities and have two main functions: protect the liver and the intestinal health, also to improve the fat digestions, absorptions, and
so
yes.
it works on the whole process of the fat
Yes.
absorption, right?
Yes, exactly.
Ah, its function sounds very interesting. But what is the mechanism on the emulsification, digestion, absorption? Could you introduce to us more?
Yes, of course. The first for the first part, the bile acid can make the big fat droplet to the small fat droplet and enlarge the contact area with the lipase, and also the secondary digestions to only the bile acid can open the lipase, the special cups, and make the fat droplet and become to the fat acid. For the third part, absorptions. So we know the bile acid as the short-chain fat acid can be absorbed directly, and the long-chain fat acid can only be absorbed when it combined with the bile acid, become to the complex particles, and then it can be organized by the small intestine cells.
I think this is very important because I know in the current salmon feed industry, some suppliers use emulsifier, but they still think it's not sufficient for them.
Exactly.
And also for the they use more plant source, oil or proteins. So according to a research currently carried out in China, they said that for plant diet, it has an interaction with the bile secretion by fish itself.
Yes.
It will make the bile acid secretion insufficient for its growth. So it's really important to add extra bile acids. And also you mentioned bile acids is a natural source.
Yes.
Already exists in the animal body.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also is when we start farming the salmons, we need to put some of the pigments in the salmon's bodies. And according our experiments, the bile acid can improve like the 5% of the utilizations of the pigments. So also to save some the feed species. So in total, it's a lot of the feed cost reduced. I can imagine.
Yes. So bile acids, the new solution, could reduce feed cost by 2 ways, according to Roy's introduction. One is to replace the oil, the lipid, and second is to replace part of the pigments, right?
Yes, exactly. Also for the salmons, we know the salmon have the high tolerance of the fat, like the digestion abilities, like the 92 to 93. And for the bile acid can improve like the 2% to 3% of the digestion rate, which means after adding the bile acid, can be the digestion abilities can be raising to the 94%.
Wow.
Also for the
that's impressive.
Yes, exactly. Also for the digestible energies is like the 36.6 mg per kilograms.
Oh, I see. Very impressive solution.
Yes.
And you've talked about a lot about bile acids. I believe that our friends in front of our screen are already very interested and curious. How could we find the bile acids in the local market?
Yes, exactly. As only are the only manufacturers in China. We have a lot of the agents in more than 30 countries. If you would like to buy this product, you can leave your message on the comment area. Also, you can send your email to my email address, which is on the comment area. And yes, this is what you can buy for the bile acid.
I think it's a good news for our friends, especially in the Andes area, because we have already developed. You have already developed your business in Chile, in Argentina, Peru, Brazil.
Yes, Mexico. It's a lot of different places.
That's really great. And okay, that's all for today's live show. And thanks for joining us. If you like our show, please subscribe us and give us a thumb and comments. Next time we'll share with you more information on aqua. If you have any interesting topics, please also leave a message to us. We will share with you more.
And
thank you. Think with the chance.
Find the difference.
Find the difference.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.